In this section, we will learn decomposition of an algebraic fraction into partial fractions. Algebraic fraction is of the form p of x by d of x, where p of x and d of x are polynomials. We will learn how to decompose this fraction into partial fractions. For example, 3x squared minus 3x plus 6 by x squared plus 2x minus 15 can be decomposed as 3 minus 12 by x plus 5 plus 3 by x minus 3. Let me explain step by step. Step 1. If the algebraic fraction p of x by d of x is an improper fraction, then express it as the sum of polynomial and proper algebraic fraction first. That is, by using long division, we can find quotient q of x and remainder r of x. Then it can written as q of x plus r of x by d of x. In our case, quotient is 3 and remainder is 9x plus 51. Step 2. Factorize denominator dx. In our example, it is x squared plus 2x minus 15. The first term x squared can be factorized x and x. The last term negative 15 can be factorized by plus 5 and minus 3, or minus 5 and plus 3, or minus 15 and plus 1, or plus 15 and minus 1. But only plus 5 and minus 3 gives coefficient plus 2 of middle term. Therefore the denominator x squared plus 2x minus 15 can be factorized as x plus 5 times x minus 3. Step 3. Express in partial fractions according to the following table. Case 1. The denominator has distinct factors. Let's say numerator is px plus q and denominator has factors bx plus c and mx plus n. Then the fraction can be decomposed into sum of two fractions having constant terms over each factor. That is, a over bx plus c plus b over mx plus n. Case 2. If denominator has repeated linear factors, then it can be decomposed into sum of two fractions. First one is a constant over the factor and other is constant over square of the factor. Case 3. If denominator has one linear factor and quadratic factor, then two fractions will be a constant over the linear factor and linear polynomial over the quadratic factor. Our example is similar to case 1. The two partial fractions will be a by x plus 5 plus b by x minus 3. Step 4. Solve for unknown constants by multiplying the equation and substituting suitable value of x. In our case, we will multiply the equation by x plus 5 times x minus 3 and give x equals negative 5 and 3. Then we will get two unknown value, a equals negative 12 and b equals 3. Finally, we'll get the solution 3 minus 12 over x plus 5 plus 3 over x minus 3.
Thank you.